Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY to December 12th of this 25-day advent calendar from the Brew company. Okay, so it's day 12 or December the 12th today, and we're doing Indonesia. So we're traveling over to Indonesia now. So this is an intensity of 4 out of 5, so nice intensity. It's a medium roast. It's got low acidity, which is good for my taste, I think. But taste notes of apple, brown sugar, chocolate and lime. So some fruitiness in there, which I'm not so keen on, but let's give it a taste. So first of all, we'll grind up, we'll brew up, and then we'll get tasting. Okay, day 12, Indonesia is brewed and ready for tasting, so let's give it a go. That's nice. Let's take it into secondary test. It's like a lot more rounded. That sounds really weird saying that. More body to it, like thicker, tastes thicker. That's probably not the right word to use, but I'm getting that brown sugar, the sugary, not brown sugar, but sugary, like chocolatey, quite sweet chocolate. And the low acidity, it's definitely, you can tell the difference with the low acidity in there. It's quite mellow, little bits of taste in it, not too much though, but it's nice. I'd say top 5, maybe top 6 possibly. It's definitely one of the better medium roast ones I've had. It is more intense, it's a stronger coffee, and there's more body to it. It's kind of, I don't know what the right word is, it's thicker. It's thicker. Not getting the lime in there though. Definitely get a bit of sweetness to it, maybe the apple style, but not the lime. So yeah, that's the Indonesia coffee from the Kayumas region. So yeah, really nice. I'd probably have it again. I'd say top 5 maybe. Coffees so far from the 25-day calendar. But yeah, the links will be below for these coffees and the advent calendar in the description to get a discount on there. So you get a discount on any of the coffees on the Brew company website. So use them links if you're looking for some coffee. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you have. If you've not for any reason, give it a thumbs down. Any questions about the coffee, about the French press, about the grinder, again links for the French press and the grinder in the description. They're just off Amazon. I've done a separate video on the use and unboxing of those as well. So any questions at all, drop it in the comments section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for more coffee, more DIY projects and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.